Today I am going to tell about weight loss tips, how these foods at home can reduce your weight with Kismis, that is raisin. To lead a healthy life, you need to do the necessary physical exercise, as well as add some special foods to the diet. Nowadays, we get tired recently. The goal now is to keep the heartbeat proper, supply calcium to the body, prevent bad cholesterol, and lose weight at the velocity. To lead a healthy life, you need to do the necessary physical exercise, as well as add some special foods to the diet. Doctors also sometimes ask to have confidence in several household drinks. One such fruitful drink is the water soaked in the Kismis. Carbohydrates present in the Kismis, raisins, give extra energy to the body. This water is also very effective in eliminating anemia. This drink is very beneficial for girls because girls suffer more from anemia. Exercising on an empty stomach is not good at all. Eating Kismis before exercise quickly transfers energy to the body. Eating a Kismis soaked in water will also have the strength needed to exercise. Dietary fiber present in Kismis is very useful in maintaining digestion. The metabolic activity rate increases when digestion is good, so weight is under control. Wash 100 g of the Kismis thoroughly and soak it overnight in a glass of water. This water should be consumed on an empty stomach in the morning. Water can be heated and consumed to get good results. Do not drink anything for half an hour after drinking this water. Drinking this water 5 days a week can relieve various physical problems. Thank you so much watching my videos. Please share, comment and subscribe to my channel INFORMATIC Health Tips.